If you forgot your Gmail password, the first thing to know is that you usually can't view your current Google account password directly unless it was previously saved in your browser or password manager. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to check whether your Gmail password is stored on your computer so you can view it safely. If this helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This is the main menu where Chrome keeps a lot of useful settings. From the menu, move down to Passwords and Autofill, then click Google Password Manager. This will take you to the place where Chrome stores saved login details for websites and apps, including Gmail if you saved it before. Now, in the Password Manager, use the search bar and type Google or Gmail. This helps you quickly find the saved account you're looking for instead of scrolling through everything manually. Once you see your Gmail account in the results, click on it to open the saved login details. At this point, Chrome will usually ask you to verify your identity before showing the password. Depending on your computer, this may mean entering your Windows password, your Mac password, or using a PIN. This step is important because it protects your saved passwords from anyone else using your device. After you enter your computer password or PIN, you'll be able to access the saved details. Now, click the eye icon next to the password field to reveal the saved Gmail password. If needed, you can copy it and paste it wherever you want to use it. Just remember, this only works if the password was previously saved in Chrome or Google Password Manager. If your Gmail password was never saved, then you won't be able to view it this way, and you'll need to reset it through Google's account recovery process instead. If you want, you can also use the same method to check passwords for other websites you've saved in Chrome. It's a really useful feature for keeping track of accounts, especially if you have a lot of logins stored over time. So to quickly recap, open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, open Passwords and Autofill, go to Google Password Manager, search for Google or Gmail, select your account, verify with your computer password or PIN, and then click the eye icon to view the saved password. And that's how you check whether your Gmail password is saved on your device and view it if it was stored previously. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tech guide.